Alright, so I'll try to do this quick anyway. I've got the off-road tyres on the rig, and I've had the flu, so I haven't actually. I'm supposed to actually do the diff in the rig, and to do this it basically takes a day, and I really couldn't be bothered doing it. So I'm just going to run it the way it is and see how it goes. I'll show you. So all these diff gears, they go into this diff case by Innovative RC. It goes into this case here. And we're going to do this, probably takes a day. And then these are the blackbone diff gears that go on top of that. They get bolted into that, and some of these gears go in the gearbox case itself. So I really couldn't be bothered doing it because I'm not feeling that well, and it really takes most of my day anyway. So I'm gonna have a quick go of it, see how it goes. Plug this in, plug the battery in. Right. I would have liked to put the diff in, but I really don't have the time for it. I'm still feeling pretty shit with the flu. I'm trying to get over it. So they're the off-road BRP tyres. I've put the cold cutter screws in it in a zigzag kind of pattern. I'm going to try it out here. I mean, I've seen a picture of they put all the screws in each single knobby. I think you need at least 3 packets to do that. Alright, so let's choke this fucking thing. What's going on? Why is it so stiff? What have I done here? Oh yeah. Where's my screwdriver? I haven't got a screwdriver. This clamp is in the way. Let's do this properly. Let's see here. I can't choke it because the clamp is in the way. I can't move the lever. Wrong one. So this is live, unedited. Alright. This fucking clamp was in the way, I couldn't turn the lever to do the choke on it. Yeah, right. Alright, let's put the cage back on. Get in there, you bastard. God, this is taking forever. Right. Here we go. It's important you let the engine warm up a little bit before I take it off, before I go. I think those truckers are not happy. Too much dust. I'm annoying the hell out of those truckers. They'll probably come out and shoot me. Whew, that is smoking. This was a bad area. I reckon I'll go somewhere else. Let's take us somewhere else. All right. Let's find another spot. Let's go find another spot. Alright, so let's go find another spot. I'll end the video, and then once I find another spot, I'll... Oh, look at this. Fucking bolt came out of the engine mount, the muffler mount that goes there. But let's find another spot. I'll end this video and we'll start again.